Hello everybody, Stampin' Sue Creates here. I know it has been like forever since I've done a video. Well, there's my dog Aurora saying hello, as she normally does as soon as I start talking. But I want to thank you so much for joining me. I finally got my paper pumpkin. Oh my goodness. Today is January 20th, 2020. It's 1/20/2020. I'll tell you, I'm still getting used to this 2020 thing. But it seems like I am the last of the Mohegans to come home to get my paper pumpkin. I actually got it on a Sunday, yesterday. Of course, the dog was barking crazy. And I was getting ready to go to my grandson's birthday party. And I looked out, and here was the mailman, and he brought my paper pumpkin. I get 2 subscriptions. I get one for my daughter and one for me. So it worked out perfectly. I was able to head on down to the birthday party and give her hers, because she's about an hour away from me. So without any further ado, this is the I'll Be Yours January 2020 paper pumpkin subscription box, which is a monthly subscription box. I almost had another tragedy there with an injury. Oh, I don't need any more of those. And this comes every single month right to your door. Oh, it looks like we're back to a different type of box. I don't know. I don't know what Stampin' Up's doing. But anyhow, I don't really care because it's here, finally. I was kind of upset because I saw people posting them already. I actually saw Stampin' Up uploaded their video already, and there I was still waiting. So that's okay. Just breathe. It'll be okay. It's here now. So we have the Mint Macaron Stampin' Spot, which is it's kind of like a greenish. I'm not sure if it's coming across as like a greenish, but it's like a very faint light. Kind of, I don't even know what I'm looking for, a light sage. And we have some extra glue dots. This month they told us that there was some problems with glue dots, so they were throwing in an extra set of them. So this, I would imagine, is them. And, oh, here it is, I'll Be Yours. And this coordinates with the Heart Punch Pack, which is in the mini catalog. So it says, get even more from the I'll Be Yours kit when you purchase the coordinating Heart Punch Pack, item 1512.92. Use these punches to make heartfelt projects now and for all your love-filled occasions in months to come. So get your Heart Punch today. So that's good to know. So if that's on your list and you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, or if you're not, you may want to pick it up. And it's actually 2 different hearts. One has a scallop and one is just the heart. And here is an announcement about the February Paper Pumpkin and Celebration. So they go together like birthdays and cake. You won't want to miss out on this. Celebration runs from January 3rd to March 31st. And the February Paper Pumpkin, January 11th to February 10th. So you can now go ahead and grab your subscription if you're not yet a subscriber. And you won't miss out on this. So this is going to be coordinating with the Happy Birthday to You stamp set, which is a free celebration stamp set, and it's this birthday cake. So they already are showing you a little slice of cake, which is wonderful. So that's going to be a lot of fun. And here's the stamp set. I'm just kind of looking to see if I have anything to put behind here. Well, I'm not sure that's going to help out much. No, that is not. You would think like a Stampin' Up demonstrator would have, lots of paper around. Okay, so how about this? Alright, so sorry about the glare. It's my ring light. So real cute set. We have, let me take that away. That's not helping any for me. Oh, I should have been more properly prepared. Hold on a second. How about my iPad cover? Maybe that'll work. So anyhow, we have a real nice, cute little background. This here looks like a little scallop edge punch. We have, and oh my goodness, this is so tiny. Okay, let's try it this way. Be Mine. No, that's backwards. Be Mine. This way. B-E-E Mine. We have Handmade, which is cute. You can use that in many other things. Let's Be Friends. A little flower. thank you, and then a heart that says with love, and another stamp for you, wishing you a lifetime of love. Happy Valentine's Day. We have some little flowers, which is 3 little flowers, and of course the bee, if I didn't say that. And yeah, I mean, these stamp sets are getting bigger and bigger. I'm telling you, Stampin' Up! Has really stepped up their game with these Paper Pumpkin subscriptions. So here it comes all wrapped like a package. And I'm telling you, I've been a demonstrator. It'll be 20 years this year. And every time a package comes, which I have an unboxing to do too, so I'm going to do that in a separate video. But every time a package comes, I mean, I'm just as excited as I was day one. And I have a little glue dot there to hold this down. Excuse me, day one from receiving my subscription box. So it never gets old. So here it is, the All Be Yours. Real cute, January 2020. And let's see. We'll flip it over. Oh, look at all the fun little goodies. So everything you need is included in here, except you might want to grab yourself a pair of paper snips. I'm trying to think what else you may need. Kind of nothing, just your imagination. So I will be coming on... paper. I'll be coming on coming up with some alternative ideas with using this set. So here we have some really real pretty iridescent flowers. I believe they are sequins. Come on. Oh dear. Seriously? It looks like it opens this way. Oh, I'll tell you. Here's my scissors. I could see that it opens. I'm just going to do that because I just don't have any patience today. It's Monday. It's a very crazy day at my full-time job. So here we go. We have some purple and some pink iridescent, and they are sequins, and they're little flowers. So how cute are they? Okay, we don't need that. We'll put those aside. So it looks like we have some little note cardy type size envelopes. We have a whole bunch of those. They're super cute. And then, oh, look at these, how cute they are. We have a whole stack of these. And these are like embossed. So let's take a look. So it folds like this. And it's embossed. Isn't that pretty? And it goes all the way around to the other side. So we have a whole bunch of those. These look like little treat holders. Then in here we have the glue dots. And we have dimensionals and some white baker's twine. So that's fun. And these are the mini dimensionals. So we have mini and we have standard. So they gave you mini. So then we have some little tiny note cards. And I'm going to assume that this is a mint macaron color. So these are like little, when you fold them, they're like 3 by 3 size. And you see how pretty that is? Just a very light color on there. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. I love anything with bees. Although I don't like bees. But look at how cute these are. And these don't have any adhesive on it. Just punch them out. So we have a couple sheets of those. And Stampin' Up! Always gives you more than enough. And these are already die cut. You just have to punch them out. Look how cute they are. And so there's circles, there's rectangles, and the bees. And then we have some real pretty hearts. Look at the colors of those hearts. We have a couple, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of these. And these also are already cut for you. You just punch them out. So they're super pretty. Then we have a whole sheet of these, not sure, there you go, you can see it. These little tags with the flags on them. They have a little hole in them. So I'm assuming you would tie that on. Then we have some really beautiful chipboard. Don't forget that. You could do a lot of stuff with this, and this is super thick. And on the other side here, we have our instruction sheet that I showed you earlier. So there is what your projects are going to look like. Aren't they pretty? So those are the suggested projects. And inside we have step-by-step directions. I'm a visual person, so I kind of don't really do the reading. I just look at the pictures and I look at the cover. And then on the back, it tells you what your kit includes. And there's a couple alternative projects that Stampin' Up! Is already giving you to do. So look how pretty they are. I love that little flower done with those hearts. Real pretty. So don't forget all social medias. You can find Paper Pumpkin on there. The coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors are Crushed Curry, Highland Heather, Mint Macaron, and Rococo Rose. And warning, there is a choking hazard. So just want to tell you that. And here's all the places you can go to, all the social medias. And Stampin' Up! Has a YouTube channel for Paper Pumpkin. So it shows you step by step how to put the kit together. So you'll want to check that out. And you can go to pumpkinhowto.com. Now this is a great time to join Paper Pumpkin if you're a brand new subscriber to be, because you can go ahead and get the 3, 6, 12-month subscriptions and get free celebration items as well. Or you can do the month by month. And if you ever want to take a break from it, all you have to do is just go online and just by the 10th of the month, just tell them to hold that month's subscription. They'll hold it for you and then start it the following month. But I've had some people that this month when they saw it was going to be little treat bags, which I think they're super cute, and little note cards, they decided not to go and get this month's box. But I'm going to tell you, Paper Pumpkin has a Facebook page. They also do a monthly Facebook event where other demonstrators submit their designs, and you can just go onto all social medias to find a ton of different projects using the kit. So be sure to go and visit me over on Facebook at Stampin' Sue Creates. And don't forget to subscribe. I do weekly live Facebook events on Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So you'll want to definitely check that out. I've been giving away freebies just by sharing and commenting on the live Facebook group. It's a lot of fun to come and join us. So I'm inviting you to please come over and check that all out. And if you're interested in ordering this, you can go to my website at www.stampinsuecreates.stampinup.net. So thanks so much for joining me. I hope you have a super Stampin' Day, and I'll see you back here again real soon. But make sure you click subscribe and the notification bell. Then you'll know exactly when I upload new videos. Okay, everybody, bye-bye for now.